How to send Toncoin from Binance to Telegram. Open your Binance app. Tap Assets. Go to Spot. If you're sending Toncoin, you should see Toncoin listed in your balance. Tap on it. Tap Send. Choose On-Chain Withdrawal. Now, you'll need to enter your Toncoin address from your Telegram wallet. So, open your Telegram app. Tap the hamburger menu. Select Wallet. Tap Deposit. Choose External Wallet. This is your Toncoin address. Tap Copy Address, then go back to Binance. Paste the Toncoin address into the address field. For the network, select Ton. You can skip the memo. Enter the amount you want to send. Tap Withdraw. Tap Submit. Tap Confirm. When prompted, enter the code from your Authenticator app. Your withdrawal will now be processing. Wait a few minutes. If you want to check the withdrawal status, tap View History. Select Ton, and if you see the status marked as completed, you can open your Telegram wallet to verify. You have now successfully sent Toncoin from Binance to Telegram.